Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot chocolate without cocoa powder. It's surprisingly easy and results in a rich, creamy drink perfect for any time. You'll only need a few common ingredients you likely already have in your pantry. We'll walk through each step, ensuring your homemade hot chocolate is absolutely delicious. Get ready to enjoy a comforting treat in just a few minutes. For a single serving, you'll want about 2 cups of whole milk. It makes the drink wonderfully creamy. Next, grab 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, but feel free to adjust this amount based on your sweetness preference. The star ingredient is 2 ounces of your favorite chocolate, chopped into small pieces. Dark chocolate offers a richer taste, while milk chocolate provides a sweeter, milder flavor. Now let's get cooking. Pour your milk into a saucepan, then add the sugar and your chopped chocolate. Place the saucepan over medium-low heat. It's crucial to stir constantly to prevent the milk from scorching and the chocolate from sticking to the bottom. Keep whisking gently until all the chocolate has completely melted and the mixture is smooth and steaming, but not boiling. Once your hot chocolate is perfectly smooth and hot, it's ready to serve. Pour it into your favorite mug and add any toppings you like. Whipped cream, a handful of mini marshmallows, or a dash of cinnamon are all fantastic choices. Enjoy this comforting beverage while it's warm. Also, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial mindset, a book called The Simple Path to Wealth is highly recommended. Check the description for a link to this book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.